Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin Reed, and today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to everyone. Hopefully, you guys took the time this weekend to recharge. You guys know that's one of our wealthy words. Took the time to recharge and prepare for the trading week. If not, maybe you were trading some crypto or some forex or things like that. But you got to take time to give yourself a break. Don't make excuses that you burnt out or whatever, because I know I've been there. It's hard not to do it, but we do. We all know last week's wealthy word was excuses. So today I have a good word for you. But before I get into it, make sure you like, subscribe to the video, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. All right, happy Sunday. Today's wealthy word is initiative. Initiative. And I have a nice quote for you. Initiative is the privilege of picking yourself. Initiative is the privilege of picking yourself. And I like that, right? Because you got to pick yourself. So many people, they think it's bad to be selfish, right? They think it's bad to sit out, to take care of yourself or to do the things that you know are necessary. You got to jump in and just handle things, right? Take initiative your journey to become wealthy. That was you taking initiative and putting actions behind your dreams, actions behind your goals. You took the initiative to do whatever it is that it takes to get to to get on your path to the journey, right? So whether it's getting wealthy, starting your business, starting your brokerage account, hopefully you all have a RobinHood. If not, the link below, Webull, link below. Take the initiative to use those links, get those free stocks, and just get in there and start your journey, whatever it may be. So initiative is our wealthy word of the week. And I really like this word. I feel like I had to define it for you all, right? The ability to assess and initiate things independently. Initiate things independently. So that means you took it upon yourself to get out here and put those actions. So right now we know we're in the month of July. We're the second half of the year. And we know that this journey was to, let's see where we can make it in a year, right? See how much progress we can make in a year. The fact that you took the time to initiate the steps, whatever it takes to achieve your goals, you should be patting yourself on the back, because we are now in month 7 and you all have made it this far. Hopefully you didn't give up, whether it was your health journey, your wealth journey, whatever it was, the goal to become financially free or happy in whatever it is that you do. I want you to take the time today to pat yourself on the back for taking the initiative to do that. So, all right, that's our wealthy word, initiative. Y'all keep that in y'all mind this week. Now let's talk about the markets. So we know that today is Sunday, right? We know that other places like China, Japan, those places are actually trading. And we all know that I told you all that I think the market still looks bullish. As of right now, the market is looking bullish. However, we are at a key resistance point, right? We hit this point before going up and we came back down. So we got to make sure that we're paying attention to what's going on. In the pre-market, I have here an article. It says S&P 500 slip ahead of kickoff to earnings season. S&P 500 futures slip ahead of kickoff to earnings season. I told you all on Friday that there will be earnings this week, and it could be either good or bad, especially with us already having lower EPS, earning per share, expected EPS, earnings per share. So people greatly lowered their earnings per share expectations due to the fact that the economy was coming down. So what happens when they lower those expectations and they still don't meet them? We could see things come back down again. It could definitely be bad. On top of that, we have more key inflation information from the Feds coming. So U.S. equities futures dipped Sunday evening as Wall Street looked ahead to big company earnings reports and key inflation data on the heels of a strong employment report. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped by 155 points or 0.5%. S&P 500 fell 0.65% and the NASDAQ 100 fell 0.89%. So these are almost 1% drops. Those big drops, these are the drops that we do not want to see. But that is also fine. We know we've been running up for several days, right? Here we see we're pretty much consolidated here, but we ran up for 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and we ended up a little higher. So 5 to 6 days, we had some green days. It is only natural for the market to cool off. Hopefully this is just a cool off period. I have it marked here. I think if we come below that 381.84, we could go back to trying to get bearish again. However, I don't think, as long as we don't beat that this low here, 362.17, I think we may just consolidate for a good period of time. However, I am hoping that we see this bullish trend that I told you all I was expecting. As long as we don't break below this line, I think that we should be pretty good. But we definitely gonna be bad if we get below this one. So you all just look at these, take a screenshot. These are my price targets and levels. I have this one here because I said this. I think this is a point where we could actually see some resistance. It'll bounce, come back down, so it could come back down here. I could move this line here, just so you can kind of keep, know. Take your screenshot if you like it. Get here if we come back down. As long as we don't come back down too far, I think we'll be safe. So that's what I have there as far as that prediction. One thing I do like is the fear rating still being up high. I think that we could definitely come back into a green week. I think that we can come back into a green week. And I'm hoping that news behind Tesla and Elon Musk and maybe some great earnings report, hopefully inflation peaked out and oil continues to come down. All of those will be great catalysts for a green market. So oil prices coming down. That's already been in the works for the past couple of weeks. The good key inflation data, good earnings for this week, the next couple weeks, and I think the market could go green. But hey, we'll definitely see tomorrow. I'll be keeping you all updated tomorrow, and that's what I have for you. So I thank you guys for joining Journey to Become Wealthy. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later.